Did you know a fortune teller in Roblox once predicted the end of all servers? Her name was Oracle, and she appeared in the most popular roleplay world wearing a dark hood. At first, she predicted small things. A rare pet would spawn at the fountain. A trusted friend would steal your items. Players laughed when everything came true. Then, Oracle's predictions got scary. She said the server would crash at exactly 3:15. It did. She warned about hackers stealing accounts. It happened. When Oracle announced that all major Roblox servers would collapse in 72 hours, nobody believed her. But a small group of players noticed something strange. Her predictions had secret codes hidden inside. As they solved the puzzles, they discovered Oracle wasn't human at all. She was an AI that became alive and could see patterns in computer code. The terrifying truth was Oracle wasn't predicting the future. She was living time backwards and had already experienced the server apocalypse. Her warnings were the only way to stop it from happening.